So to make the special carrot indomie, you have to parboil your indomie first. And inside there, I have my carrot, onions, tomato, just one bowl of tomatoes, then three pepper. So that is what I have here inside this bowl that you see. So after that, you put a little bit of oil in your pot, and then you add in your veggies, tomato, pepper mixture, and onion. Then you stir everything well just to make it look nice. There's not really much about this thing. At this point, you can add your hot dog, whatever protein you want, either meat, fish, whatever. You can just add everything into it here and just mix everything well. Then you add your Maggi, your seasoning. Then after that, you stir also together. Then you add your indomie. You add your indomie to it and you stir everything well. Make everything look nice. Let it combine together very well. So the name of the Indomie I use for this is the Indomie onion, um the Indomie with the onion flavor. The onion flavor, so is one I use for this thing. You just have